Hi everyone, I'm Shelly with Art for My Table. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to sous vide chicken breast. If you want the juiciest, best piece of meat, sous vide cooking is the way to go. Cooking your chicken sous vide will guarantee you a delicious, juicy piece of meat. Sometimes I feel like the chicken breasts that you buy at the store are really large and almost too much for one person. So one thing that I like to do to make it go a little bit farther is simply slice them in half, almost like filleting them. And to do that, I'll just lay out my chicken breast and I'll want to hold it flat on top. Always keep your hand above the blade. But I'm going to go in just right to the center here. And I'm just going to slice that horizontally. Now you want, at this point, you can kind of open this up a little bit, almost like you're opening a book, and just work that down. And there, I've cut it in half. Now I have 2 chicken breasts for the price of 1. I also feel like they will cook so much more evenly this way. Rather, oftentimes either breast that one side is really thick and the other side is really thin. So this will give us nice even cooking. But also, since we are cooking it in the sous vide, you really can't dry it out or mess it up. Next, I just want to season these with a little bit of salt and pepper. Remember, salt is going to help to tenderize that meat. A good rule of thumb is to use 1% salt to the weight of your chicken, but honestly, I just go by sight. I'm also going to add just a little bit of pepper. And these are ready to bag up. I've heated my water to 149 degrees, and we are going to be cooking these chicken breasts for about an hour. When I place them in the bag, I want to give them each just a little bit of space. We don't want to put them on top of each other. After we place it in the bag, we'll add a little oil, and you can add some aromatics as well. I'm just going to use a few leaves of thyme. Then we want to seal that up, getting all of the air out. And then we'll place it in our water bath. When we sous vide meat, there's usually a 2-step process. So the first part is cooking it sous vide, and the second part is finishing it off. Typically, we're used to seeing our chicken breast with grill marks on it or a nice sear. So that is the part 2 of your 2-step process. The second step isn't always necessary. If you're going to use your chicken for shredding it for chicken salad or chicken barbecue or something like that, you don't have to put that final sear or finish on it. There's 2 options to finish off your chicken breast. The first option is a pan sear. To get just a little extra crunch and texture, we're going to sprinkle a little bit of flour over one side of the chicken breast. Once your pan is very hot, go ahead and add a little bit of oil, and then we're simply going to place the chicken breast in the pan. Let that sear for about 30 seconds, and then you can turn it over and do the same thing on the other side. Now we have a beautiful golden color and a nice crisp finish to the outside. The second option is to finish it on the grill. And since it's great grilling season right now, let's go outside and do that. Once your grill is between 400 and 500 degrees, you'll want to place the chicken breast on there. Again, just about 30 seconds per side. Once you've grilled both sides of your chicken, you can add a little sauce if you'd like. today I'm just going to use a little bit of barbecue sauce and I'm brushing it on with a pastry brush. I'll close the lid and let it get just sticky for a few seconds, and then it's finished. I have been cooking sous vide for a couple of years now, and it never fails to give me just a wonderful, juicy, perfectly cooked piece of meat. For more recipes, you can head over to artfrommytable.com. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be kept in the loop when new videos are available.